These are the top 5 things that we think make the Inspire 3 a beast. At number 5, RTK compatibility. Centimeter level accuracy not only makes flying more stable, but also makes flight route planning more accurate, significantly improving creative efficiency. Number 4, Waypoint Pro. This new smart feature is like having your drone on rails in the air, so if you're solo shooting, it makes it even easier to master highly complex scenes. At number 3, the DJI RC Plus. The controller has a cinema-grade monitoring interface upgrade, 1200 nits of brightness, and fully customizable buttons. At number 2, dual native ISO. Light is everything in cinema, and it can't be understated how this dual native ISO at 800 and 4000 unlock the capabilities of capturing spectacular scenes at dawn, dusk, and night shooting. And finally, at number 1 is the X9 camera. It has an 8K full-frame sensor and can also shoot 4K 120 frames without any cropping. We'll be getting our hands on the Inspire 3 as soon as it lands in Oz, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out.